All right, today I'm making some huge updates to the MoonDev AI agents for trading GitHub here. This is all free on GitHub. You can read the README here, but the link's in the description. You get all the code that you're going to see here today. Today I'm going to build in a new perp dex into this GitHub here, and you can see all the code is in the SRC folder and agents here. I'm going to be working on the trading agent today, and then I'm also going to be using the Swarm agent. I'll explain everything, so you'll get all. Just go ahead and smash the like button for open source, and much love to you. So let's go ahead and say, okay, I want to find a GitHub here. First off, it is the GitHub that has a couple bots running. Okay, let's go ahead here and say, we want to do extended OFI advanced. Okay, that's fine. OFI advanced. Let's grab one of these examples here. Copy path. Okay, let's go over to the trading agent. Not MD though. Trading agent. Where are you, baby girl? Where are you? Scripts, agents. Trading agent. Trading agent, boom. Okay, you can see Aster. So in this trading agent, you can see we have exchange options, Aster, Hyperliquid, and Solana. I want to add another option. This will be called ended. Here's an example of our ended trading bot. And any files needed, I think you're a new nice funks file, funks extend. So look at how the nice funks are nice. The regular nice funks for Solana. Create one of those. Then you'll be able to get over to this to use connections needed. We might need a connector, but if it needs a connector, just add it into the nice funks file. Let's try to just keep this one new file here. So it'll be nice funks extended. Okay, and any other stuff you need for this bot to be built out exactly how it is with tradingagent.py. We're just gonna be able, the only change that we'll have to do as a human is type in the exchange, and we'll type in extended. So go ahead and bring over all the code needed, put it into the nice funks extended, including the connections. Assume my env has the exact setup needed that we do in this GitHub that I'm sending to you. And if you assume that, I mean, you can look at my black. Let's just go ahead and build this out. We can ignore the part in the below GitHub that has something to do with account switching. We'll just have one account here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get her going because today's another great day. Another great day to be alive, gentlemen. Let's go ahead and step on that gas pedal because we have nothing else to do. Come on, bro. This is the best world to be alive. We have my guy. We have AI to code anything. Have an idea? I'm sure you do. Okay, do you have some time? I'm sure you do. Let's get every single day. Come on, B. Get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is not financial. Not financial. I do believe code equalizer. That's why I show absolutely everything. I'm just keep in here. So have you might show them to you. I'm sorry. Next time, never. Key, buddy, please. Okay, I got me in. I will this GitHub where I'm intending to exchange extra so I have a full purpose type last step. I lock it. You all GitHub super to get ahead of hit as a book. Read me. We're working every thing at a time. Me, our C folder is where it's at. That's where all the code is. You can see we connect to pretty much any model here. Open Router was just implemented, which is sick because that literally gets us connected to every single model ever. But you can also connect directly via Claude, Gemini, Grok, etc. Let's get it. Okay, so let's see what she's doing. I'll help you add the extended exchange option to your trading agent. Let me first read the extended bot example to understand what we need. We search for it. Now let me check the trading agent to see how it's currently structured. Let's go over to that trading agent. Again, it's all in the source agents folder here. Source. We're going to go to the trading agent here. Use swarm mode true. I like that, dude. And while she's working on that, let's go ahead and look at some of these Polymarket things here that are popping up on my screen as I see. As you see too. iTerm. Okay. So somebody just swept 16K on this market here, which is the... No, I'm not talking to you, Siri. They just swept yes on decrease rates by 25 BPS. So it's a 98% sure. Wow, dude. That's insane. 98% sure. When is that meeting? That must be today. We'll see. Perfect. I can see the pattern now. I'll create the nice funks extended.py file and update the trading agent to support the extended exchange option. Let me start by creating the nice funks extended file based on extended API. How are you, dude? 777 to you. Much love, much love. Are we going to get this today? Yes, of course. Are we going to get it yesterday? Of course. Are we going to get it again tomorrow? Of course. Did the game stop? Nope. Game. Much love. Much. Is the game over? No. Rico, let's get it, bro. 777. What up, Freddie, Levi, DeFi? What up, bro? Can you give me a full explain 10-minute about what you're working on? Yeah, dude. Go to the GitHub. Go to the GitHub and I will give you multiple 10 minutes. How about that? So here's the first video. Here's the second video. And here's the third video. If you watch all three of those videos, this one's like 5 minutes. We have got to the point where this one's like 10 minutes. And this one is like 20 minutes. So if you watch that 35 minutes of videos, you will understand everything. I saw someone using Polymarket to predict market news impacts. Yeah, exactly what you're doing, I feel like. Nice, Freddie. Let's get it, Freddie. Let's get it every day then. How about that? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I can't get over being able to use the phone for AI coding. Is it fire, bro? I tried a couple times and it's all right. It's all right. That's my honest review. It's all right. So no to Jinping being out. Okay. Fed decreases. US Venezuela betting no here. Military engagement. Okay. We seen this like a couple weeks ago, to be honest. Russia times Ukraine ceasefire. No. In 2025. Okay, interesting. Somebody swept that for 5K. December 31st. November 30th. 6% chance of ceasefire. December 31st, a 14% chance. Okay. December 31st, a 14% chance. Hmm. Interesting. My bot's been active on this before. Interstellar aliens or objects confirmed. All right, let's go ahead and see what she's doing here. See if she's done yet. Not quite. She's compacting at the worst time possible, but it's okay. We'll keep stepping on the gas anyways. Let's go ahead and lock in all day. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know on Twitter, wherever. Thank you, my friend, for all the information. It's my pleasure, dude. You gotta use ISH or SSH on iPhone for the files to be local, probably, but everything is local on my Android. Okay, that's cool. Dude, I should work on 2 projects at once all the time because it's just waiting for AI to compact sometimes. It just gets boring. Close chat. Let's go ahead and see what I have in store here for Luxy. I've told you this story before, but I started building Luxy when I was still pretty young. Well, no, the bottom line is I'm not a front end dev and Luxy is a front end type thing. So I had somebody help me build that or build it for me really. And I just navigated the kind of the the ideas, whatever. But I stopped playing with it because the dev was hard to work with. But now we got Claude Code. I can just do it all. It's sick. So I might play with that down here while she's working on that. Let's go ahead and say I here. C. Oh gosh, SRC, you changed my life, boy. You changed my life, boy. And is Luxy still working okay? Because we did. Let's see if we fixed that for real, for real. Because we had that error, remember? Where the API was. It was leaking its keys. So, oh my God, I think I'm a dev now. I think I'm a dev now, dude. I fixed this bug that kept leaking my API keys, and I was about to rehire that dev, but he's trash, dude. No offense. Most people are not trash, but this was a hell of a dev to work with. Let me tell you, dude. Let me tell you, bro. I want to remove in this website, we have this share response button that is right above the chat box. I want to remove that. I just don't want it anymore. It's the green button. Okay, go ahead and see here. Let's see. I think she did it. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Perfect. I've successfully completed the extended exchange integration for the trading agent. Here's what was done. Extended exchange integration. Okay. Complete extended exchange API wrapper uses, okay, perfect. Uses environment variables, okay. Added extended, okay. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Okay. Updated the all clients. Okay, got the all that stuff in there. ID. Now so extended purports long short trading now monitoring stop loss. So do we have the P&L on here? Leverage loss, perfect, perfect, perfect. Life is perfect, 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 perfect. Let's go ahead and put this at 4. Sorry, other way around. 4. Okay. Let's go ahead here and say. Okay, so now the Let's go ahead and run this first. Let's see. Okay, extended exchange, perfect. Gemini Flash, temp data. Okay, we have this error. Couldn't find. It looks like they may call the token something different. BTC was not found. Look at that code and see how we set up the symbol. Yo, Adrian, how are you? 7. Let me get my crown back. These at 2 p.m. Eastern. Highly volatile for trading. Economic events might be useful to include in dataset. Question mark. Might be. Okay, please. Okay, please push that to GitHub. So we will update on. Let me keep the crown. I'll chase the crown. What you guys talking about crown, bro? I don't get it. SRC's got the crown. He told me the C thing. Perfect. Now let me explain and fix the issue. The open high low close volume collector now supports extended exchange. However, there's a tuple. Nice funks extended. Okay. Okay, she said she pushed it. Let's see. Well, it's gonna take a second to push to Versa. Oh, YouTube chatter crown. Okay, okay, okay. I see, I see. Top. Let's see who gets it today, fam. Let's see who gets the crown today. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. YouTube chatter crown. Share response. I removed you. I removed you. We'll see when you get pushed. 777. All right, so this feature that I'm about to build depends on a transcript or a link on a specific platform. You'll see what platform that is when I send it to you. What I want you to do is build a script to see if you can get the transcript prior and then run it here in the terminal. We won't add anything to the front end. We need to make sure that you can get the transcript. Here is the link. So let's give it a link to that specific platform. Don't say it though. Don't even say it, bro. Don't say a word, dude. Don't say a word. Copy here. I'm gonna do this one. Copy link address. Iterate until you are able to get that transcript, and then when you are able to get it, just let me know, and then I'll talk about the feature that we'll implement into the front end. Thank you. I'm just gonna use 2 agents because if I'm not, then I'm gonna be bored. Okay, so excellent. Let me summarize. Extended uses BTC. Okay, USD. Extended, fixed. if it's using extended, just auto update it so we can keep it the same. So we'll just keep the symbols as BTC, but then if it sees it's using extended, it will add that new. Look at this. This is an interesting one that just popped up. Will Meta say Oakley during the earnings call? When is their earnings call? Yes, this is. Will Meta say Oakley? They said no. Interesting. Okay, so she's still working on it. Let me add okay, perfect. By the way, dude, we have the $100 off here for Halloween. So if you're watching this right now and you want to automate your trading, you get $100 off to automate your trading here for Halloween. So I show you step by step how to automate your trading. Even if you don't know how to code, I didn't know how to code either, but I'll show you everything because I figured it all out and nobody shares anything about automated trading on the internet. So this is the best way to get concise, structured training and short, concise videos because my YouTube streams and working every day. So it's a little hard sometimes, you know that. So if you want to actually learn this stuff, jump into the bootcamp while there is $100 off. Perfect. Now let me verify. We also need to update the wrapper get position function. Okay. What's up? What's up, dude? Dude, Arabic speaking dude. What up, bro? Okay, sick. Let's go ahead and try it out. Extended here, implementing all the router. Got closed. It's getting all the questions. XAI, Claude responded. Beautiful, 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 dude. 3 of 4 complete. Okay, let's get it. Will Shadow Rocket be the #1 paid? Okay, it looks like we got an error. Let's just keep working through this. This is awesome, dude. You can see the bug here. Please fix. Thank you. Okay, so Shadow Rocket, the #1 app. What is it right now? What is Shadow Rocket first off? Okay, now I got 3 things going on. You probably have no idea what I'm doing, huh? I'm sorry, dude. I'm just really stepping on it every day and I wish I could explain everything, but it just is what it is, dude. I gotta step on the gas. You know that, bro. You know I gotta go. You know I gotta go, dude. I gotta go. You know I gotta step on it, bro. You know I have to. It's the time now. It's the time to go. Okay, let's see here. I've successfully fetched the transcription. Here's what I got. Okay. Sick. All right, so now that you can do that, what I want you to do is I want you to put a link to that. Just say test video link and it'll be on the left side. And when they click it, it will open up the video so they can watch it. But then anytime when they click it, we should have a message pop up, or an intro message saying this. It will say, you can chat directly with this video. So if you have questions or anything, just chat right here. A AI knows all about this video and you out. So it'll say that, and then the functionality on the back end will be every prompt we send a script as well. So the user can actually chat with the video. So this will eventually, there will be a list of videos. So eventually there's going to be a list of videos. So like video one, the same video that I and invite to video, we're going to be with it. So use that as and if you have names here, a little comp. Just a look like, let's get it. I should be. Should the player each have separate of it. So the be in the logo chat that because it'll be one from the. You can also take like a different video cursor keep if they click keep the conversation. Don't clear it, and if you go back to the old video, it will have that conversation. So we'll keep them independent for now. But if they go back to that old video, then they'll see that old conversation. This way they can independently talk with each video, you see? The existing left sidebar will be great. No new friends needed. All right, you go that while I go ahead and work on this. How about that? Let's see what she's okay. Perfect. So you can see here, excellent. All fixes made. Let's get it. Trading agent. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, she's asking Claude GPT-5, DeepSeek. Okay. One thing I do want here is we now have a router inside Swarm. Since we now have open router, I want you to implement that into the Swarm agent so we can also use any of those models. Staying out of the market, doing nothing. Perfect. So let's go ahead and say open router. Okay. And this will wait here. I probably need to, can you actually go in my scripts folder? I want to test functionality of extended, the way it's implemented into the trading agent. So what I want you to do is pole position, It'll be a test file. It'll be number one, pull the position, print the position I have, print the balance I have. Okay, and then put a grab the bid and the ask from extended and place an order $20 too high and $20 too low so they don't fill. And then we'll wait and print out any positions that we are or open orders we have, and then wait 5 seconds and then cancel those open orders. And then we're gonna market buy a position of $10, and then print out the position again, and then close that position and then print out the position again. This will be the full test, and also need to cancel those orders for the bid and ask, so the cancellation function works as well. Okay, let's see what happened here. So perfect. I've added open router support. Okay, great. I've added open router models here. Configuration. Okay. Simply uncomment any line. Beautiful. Next run at 9:16. That's a while from now, huh? That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just chilling. You know coding. Thank you, bro. I'm glad that it looks like I know a bunch about coding. Haha. Okay, so she's building this out. Sick, dude. Let's see what she's doing. Yo, what's up, sir? Sir Toast a lot. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's see if this has refreshed yet. There it is. She's gone. Damn, dude. I can build on the front end too. I'm a front end dev now, dude. Call me front end dev. Call me front end dev because that's what I am now. Because that's what I am now. I'm a front end dev. I'm a front end dev. I'm a back end dev. I'm whatever you want me to be. I'll step on the gas hard every day because I have to. We ain't got nothing else to do in this world, dude. Lock in. Let's get it. Okay, the app is built successfully, ready to run it up. Yeah, let's check this out on local. Yeah, just fire it up. Fire it up for me. I'm already using local 8001 though. Fired it up. Fired it up. Fired up, dude. Fired it up. Dr. Data Dog using MCP servers for Claude. I'm not, dude. DeepSeek R1 got 12K extra in the arena. Nice, bro. Okay, let's see what she did. Install extended. We're Gucci. So get ticker, test extended. Let's go to scripts here and test extended. Let's make sure it all works. Okay. Test extended here. Let's get it, dude. Let's run. Getting balanced. No dice, dude. No dice. All right, let's work our way through this. You can see error number 1. You go ahead and run this yourself. Iterate through till it works, and then whenever it does work, build it into the trading agent for extended. Thank you. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Chat with. Where's the vids at, dude? So the left sidebar is not showing it. As you can see, it should, there's no opening of sidebars needed here. It should just be there, you know? I mean, as long as they're not super thin, you know, mobilely optimized, they're not going to be able to see it. But over here on the, when it's on a computer, there's plenty of room. As you can see in the screenshot, it should just be listed over to the left under a section called chat with videos. And then it'll just be video 1, video 2, video 3. We'll use those same links for all of them for now. I think that's a cool idea, dude. So that's for Luxy. Okay, let's see what she's doing here. By the way, dude, we are having the $100 off for Halloween. Everybody always asks me, Moondev, can you please have a sale? So I want to be loud and clear about this $100 off for Halloween. Halloween is coming up. It will not be here after Halloween. So if you do want to automate your trading, I'll show you step by step, dude. Don't even worry about it. I can show you everything, even if you've never coded before. I understand coding is intimidating, but dude, I didn't learn till I was 30 years old. I didn't learn how to code till I was 30. And you probably think I'm like 22 right now, but I'm not. I'm not. I've been in this game for a while. I coded for, and I was in tech for 10 years without coding. Without coding. Yeah, you can run it up without coding, but you cannot automate your trading without learning how to code. So I'll show you how to code. Don't worry about it, dude. Compacting conversation, again, that seems a little early, my friend. Perfect, Moondev. The changes are live. Let's go ahead and checky. Nah, I don't want it here. It's not okay. First off, I don't see the link there for the video. Second off, I don't want this new sidebar pop-up thing at all. I don't want it. I want the videos to be on the black space. Remove that little pop-up bar, the button for the bar, all that stuff. I want it to be on the black space, just a simple list. I want this whole thing to be black, and it'll say on the left side, chat with content, the link with the chat with videos, and it will be a link with the first video, you know? Let's get it. I don't see it there, by the way. So something's wrong. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it, boy. Compacting conversation. This is a good idea for me to work on 2 things at once. I should always do this. Let me write that down. I know it might be a little confusing to you, but always work on 2 things at once. Algos and something else. Because I'm done sitting here, dude. I don't want to waste a breath, dog. I don't want to just fill in, just talk. I don't want to just chat, dude. I'm sorry. I mean, I'll chat with you guys, but it's not like you guys have that many questions. I'll answer questions. I'll make sure I'm part of the chat. Check this AI Trados docs free. Okay, let's see here. No search bar. Perfect. Let's get it. Video 1, 2, and 3. You can automate your trading even if you don't know how to code, okay? Just want to make that super clear, bro. Super clear. Put that video in there and let's get it. So you can see this chat with videos section. What is going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. As you may have heard, we are having the Halloween sale starting today. Are these ads, so, dude? You can get my bootcamp where I show you step by step how to automate. What's this video about? I don't want the gray bar over there. I want this to blend in to be exactly the black. Black on black. I want it to be the same black as before. Also, you can see that it must not be getting the transcript or something. Or maybe we need to add in the prompt saying this is the user is watching this video. This is the transcript for the video. Maybe add that at the top. Jimmy, what up, boy? But yeah, for some reason it says it's not able to see the video, but it should be sending the transcript in with the prompt. Jimmy, how you been, dude? Good to see you again. Been a while since I locked in with you. Been busy building. That's what I love to hear, dude. That's good news. That's good news. You guys go build, baby, build. Learn, baby, learn. And then come back whenever you want. You don't have to come every day. You should, but if you don't come, I know you're building, dude. That's all good. Just keep stepping on the gas. With or without me, I don't care. Just know that I'm sending you love. I'm sending you good energy because you can do anything, dude. And if you do it, somebody else does it, I do it, doesn't matter, dude. We're all a squad. And when we connect, we connect. Ideas in the chat are absolutely fire. Shout out to SRC for telling me about the C for Claude Code run dangerously. That's amazing. I never have to type in run Claude Code dangerously, skip permissions, or whatever the F that was. I just type in C now. It's amazing. Amazing. That's amazing. This game is amazing. We have so much AI now. This is amazing. I love it, dude. Okay, so it's all structurally complete. Let's see if it's true. Test extended. Let's get it. Should be able to show my balance. Okay. Current position. Puts the bids in the Aston. Okay. Okay. Order submitted. Let's get it. Okay. I got both the orders in. Perfect. Waiting. Cancel the orders. Beautiful. And then is buying. Invalid. Percentile. So almost there, darling. Yeah, super close. Hey fam, you did a great job, bro. You're super close. It just failed on the last piece there. Okay, and I gotta kill this one here. I got another bot incubating right now. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna monitor it. I'm gonna get out of this position. We're gonna say that test is done. I'm just testing. I'm just a tester, dude. I'm just testing. I'm just constantly testing, trying to find some signal in the noise. What the hell do you even mean by that, Moondog? Signal in the noise? What? See, that's the thing. That's the difference between me and them. I will keep it simple. I'm not going to try to puff out my chest and make it seem like I know all of these big things, these big words that nobody else can learn. These quants these days, they're freaking nerds. I'm a nerd too, though. I keep it simple because I think it's important. Anybody can automate their trading. Don't let those big heads try to tell you they're smarter than you by using these big old words. Boo-hoo. Wap-de-wap-de-wap. Come on, keep it simple, my friend. The smartest people in the world can keep it simple, my friend. Come on, let's go. Speak simply. Ah, perfect. Okay, it's completely fixed now. Let's check it out. So this is the test extended. So let's go ahead and get extended. Let's extendo on them. So it should place an order. Okay, it placed 2 orders. Yes. Beautiful. Waiting. Okay. Cancel the orders. Okay. Then it needs to market buy, but it still had the problem with the market buy. Error, invalid precision. Still not there yet, baby girl. Wait, but it seems like I'm in a position now. It looks like we still have a little bit of work to do here. Builder's gonna build. Okay, let's see what's Gucci over here. Say refresh. You can chat directly with this video if you have any questions or anything. Just chat right here. The AI knows all about this video and can help you out. Don't need the dash moon dev in the intro message of the videos. Okay, let's see if it works though. Can you give me a step-by-step outline of what this video is about? Thank you. Yeah, it seems like we're not sending in the transcript or something, the instructions of the transcript. You can see here. I'll give you the console as well. Also, make it so the video is more of a square. You can just make it much smaller. It just looks super weird being so wide like this. Make it a smaller video as a square, because even like the thumbnail being this wide looks super weird essentially. And not a square, I'm sorry. It's more of a rectangle, but a smaller rectangle. So it's just not going to fill in the whole part. What is going on? You can see in this second screenshot, this is about the size of the video you should make it, because you can see this is all it's going to show anyway. So if you just put the size of the video that size in the first place, it won't look so weird with the thumbnail. Okay, so how do we get to inspect element? I don't know why I even say that. I know exactly how to get there. I know exactly how to get there. Blocked element. Bug. Fix it. Let's get it. Let's run it. Okay. So this should print out balance. Go ahead and place orders. Okay, it placed the buy order and the sell order. Perfect. Now it should cancel the orders. Canceling all orders, and then market buy and market buy executed. We're in there. Closing position. So it looks like air closing position. Cool. So we're getting closer, my dude. We are almost there. Great job, buddy. We just have to be able to close the position now. Thank you. Wow, what a time to be alive, huh? What a time to be alive. AI just double teaming this stream today. I don't think I'm ever going to be working on one project ever again. I'm always going to have two projects going. Why wouldn't I? Tell me that, Wishy. Yo, what up? Oh, give Odo a shot. Odo. Source ERP. Open source apps to grow your business. You like Odoo? Or what's Gucci? What's Gucci with it? Website builder software. Dog, my site, why would I change my site up? I probably have the most beautiful website in the world, dude. Do you not see how beautiful this is, Junio? Look at this. I put this banner up with these emojis for Halloween because it's $100 off this week only. And people ask me, they say, Moondev, how did you make your website so beautiful? Your website doesn't look like a scam at all. It is so nice looking. It invokes so much trust. Gosh, I just love your website. It looks so good. You have like letters that are two colors. You got the AL in red and the L in black. Dude, you are just such a good website builder. And then they're like, Moondev, please just teach how to build such great looking websites on your stream instead of bots. Perfect, Moondev. Looking at the changes I made, fix that. Okay. Video player is now 500. If you don't see the blue button, that means the sidebar isn't showing up. I don't know what the hell you mean by that, but let's get it. Let's close this, dude. Let's go ahead and refresh. Paste that video in. Okay, there we go. What is going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. What is this video about? Two things here. It shifted the once I put in a message. When I put it in a message, the you can see the chat bar jumped up, and then also it says I don't have capability to view or analyze the video, so it's clearly not sending our prompt in correctly or something. Remember, it's supposed to send the transcript. How can we debug this? Let's go ahead here and say inspect console, please. She's still having an error. This is the console here. Ding, 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 Jimmy. I like the funnel. I like the funnel. That's the thing. People drag me from my website being so bad, but they've never launched a website before and seen the thing that matters. The thing that matters, I'm not going to continuously tell people. I'm actually not even going to tell you because it doesn't matter. People are like, your website's so ugly. I'm not going to buy from it. It's just so ugly. It's too ugly. It looks like a scam. Oh my God. But Jimmy just hit it on the head right there. It's not a website, dude. It's not a website. See, I come from a different world. It's about conversion. It's not about beauty. Ugly converts better. And that's the last marketing tip I'm ever going to give you because I'm a Datadog developer now. But ugly converts better. No distractions. Oh, you're distracted by the about us. Or how about the contact us? Or how about the team page? How about all these beautiful little pages? No way. No way. No way. Have you ever tried to take a strainer? A strainer like a pasta strainer? Have you ever used a pasta strainer to fill up a water bottle with water? No, dude. No. If you want that water to go in the water bottle, you better funnel that water into the water bottle. There's nothing you can do on my website. There's not one thing you can do on my website other than join the boot camp. You can learn all about it, but you can't go anywhere else. Where else can you go? Where else can you go? You can learn. There's one place to go. We dated dogs, and the data tells me my dirty little website is better. It's better. It's better. It's better. What you want? You want beauty or conversion? That's the question. It works, Moondev. The API is now returning the transcript. What is going on, everybody? Yada, yada. That's the actual transcript. Now refresh your browser. Let's get it. Okay, let's try it. What's in this video? The chat bar still glitches up a little bit, so you can see here now it's like in the middle of the response, and when I sent it, it glitched up to the middle of the response too, and then once they sent back, it glitched up to the middle. So you can see the screenshot. It's kind of ghetto. Looks like we are able to chat with the video now. Okay, not doing that. Let's go ahead here and see what happens. Okay, let's see if she fixed it. So this should put in orders. Ugly websites win. Ugly websites always win. They always win, dude. They always win. That's a fact. Okay, we still got an error, bro. So extended is fully working, unclosed. No, we didn't. We're Gucci. We are Gucci. Okay, so now what I want you to do here. Nice job, bro. You figured it out. So now let's go ahead and implement those exact same functions, whatever is needed, in the trading agent. So the trading agent will fully work now with extended. Great job, dude. What the hell? What's this video even say, dude? What'd you catch me saying? And that's the last marketing tip I'm ever going to give you because I'm a Datadog developer now. But ugly converts better. No distractions. Oh, you're distracted by the about us. Or how about the contact us? Or how about the team page? How about all these beautiful little pages? No way. No way. No way. Have you ever tried to take a strainer? A strainer like a pause? This dude is literally so slow sometimes. Okay, so I fixed the scrolling. Let's check it out. Um, give me a bullet point list of what this video is about. Also, remember, while the output is being generated, we should have the little typing signal on the output, so it looks like it's working, you know? It's like dot dot dot. Working. Okay, so here's the bullet point. And what is going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. So announces the Halloween sale, offering $100 off the lifetime package for Algorithmic Trading Bootcamp. So I did mention that. Explains the contents of the bootcamp, including step-by-step videos. Wait, I thought I just made a video about that, dude. And that because I'm a data, no the contact way. No way. Pasta strainer. Have you ever used a pasta strainer to? I already did that one, dude. I don't know why you came up with another one. Anyways, let's keep it, but pushing, dude. Ugly websites always win. Let's get it. Give me a bullet point list of what happened in this video. Kyle Brown. Give me a bullet point list of what happened in this video. What the hell? What the hell, dude? It's not financial advice, Dulet. I'm profitable, but are you gonna be? That's the question. There's nothing plug and play in the boot camp. I will show you how to automate your trading, your strategies, your ideas, but I think this is a great time for you to read this because I just want to make it super clear. This is not an easy game. There's no get rich quick here, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Give me a bullet point list of what happened in this video. Nice, bro. Try mine. What you talking about? Your what? Great job. Will you go ahead and make this so the video's about half the size? Keep that same rectangular dimensions, but about half the size so there's more room up there. They can always click on the video and watch it on a different page if they want bigger, you know? Chat with videos is done. Okay, let's see here. So extended functionalities are all working now. Perfect. Let's go ahead and try it out. Also, go ahead in the trading agents and the swarm agent. Essentially, the three models or the models I want to use are DeepSeek R1. I want to use Queen through Open Router. I actually just want to use those two. So adjust those in the swarm. And yeah, now we have Open Router. We can use the QWEN model. And then when we import it, the swarm, it will go ahead and just look at those two models now in the agent. Senior dev trading bots. We have a lot of developers that are way ahead of me in coding, benefiting from what I teach because there are so many steps to automated trading and weird quirks with exchanges that even if you are a senior engineer and a better coder than I am, I guarantee I can help you automate your trading faster than by yourself. It comes down to structure system I teach. It's backed by a 90-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. So join the bootcamp and get your $100 for the link description here. You can read what everybody has to say about it. I don't need to pitch you on this. If you want to automate your trading, a lot of you have been begging me for a discount. So here is that discount. It's $100 off and absolutely everything. Let's go ahead and answer any questions we have here. Housecoin. Housecoin is the house of all finance. Economic events might be useful for real-time data set, question mark. Stop speaking like that. I will never respect somebody that speaks like that. I'll never respect somebody that speaks like that. I'm sorry. It's just such a dickhead way to speak. That'd be probably good, right? I don't even know how to essentially. It's just like these questions. I just don't like people that speak like that. So it's just like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just dickhead way to speak. I'm gonna call you out, dude. I'm gonna call you out because you did it twice now. I know you probably don't mean anything by it. Maybe you're foreign or something, but Olama. I actually don't want to use Olama for this one. Let's see here if we can go ahead and just models here. I don't want to use the Olama one. I want to use the DeepSeek _ model.py one, so we can use our one that way. Thank you. This guy said right on. That's the value for that's value for sure. This guy is doing great work. Fanboy, thank you, dude. Much love to you. 777. Yeah, the question mark at the end just makes it like, oh, duh, dude. It's like, duh, don't you understand? Like, you should be doing that. And that's how I interpret it. So maybe it's in my side, but I just don't like that. I just don't like it, dude. Why not try mine? Everybody else did. I don't know what that means. What's that mean, love? What's up, Avax? How you doing, bro? Compacting conversation. Okay, let's see how this refresh did here. Oh, it's smaller now. Perfect. What is going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. As you may have heard, we are having the Halloween sale starting today. So you can get my boot camp where I show you. How do I get the Halloween sale? Visit the link in the description of the video. The sale specifically offers 100 off the VIP Lifetime Bootcamp. It's pretty clean, dude. Being able to chat with videos. Okay, let's go ahead and put all right, this is awesome. So now in the regular chat, if they ever put a YouTube Nah, I don't want to do that because Make sure this works here without uploading anything to the website, because I think this will be a really good backup in case that transcript thing is patched in the future. So just build it here and then make sure it works. Make sure to use the local whisper for that. Okay, I'm just curious about that because that'll be a good backup. Okay, I'll verify that all changes at last task. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so it looks like perfect. All configurations are ready. Now we're using, okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and try the trading agent here. This is all on GitHub. Extended, okay. Open router, okay. Okay, it's using DeepSeek chat and Queen R1 or Queen. DeepSeek model here, dude. From that DeepSeek, I want to go ahead and use this one. Okay, it gets the data here. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Life is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Life is beautiful. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. Much love to you. Can't wait to see what you build. Please, 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 never stop building. Never stop building. Learn, baby, learn so you can earn, baby, earn. Build, build, build. Build, build, build. See if there's any questions on Twitter because you ain't got none for me. All right. Build, baby, build. Okay, now it's using R1. Let's go ahead and run it. Trading agent here. Trading it. Okay. Let's go ahead and run it. Initialize everything. Everything, man. Everything. R1. Okay, it's getting an error here. I want you. Hello? I want you to continue with R1, but fix this error. Thank you. Let's see here if I have any messages in Discord. Okay, let's see if we can get through this bug here. So initialize all the different AI models. Okay, calling two models in parallel, DeepSeek Reasoner and Queen 3. Okay, open router, Queen responded in 9.9 seconds. Okay, buddy, let's get it. No, I don't want you to update it to Vercel or anything like that. I want to see you print out the transcript from this new way of getting it, and then build a README showing that this is a good backup if we ever run into a problem. None of this is going to Vercel yet. Generate consensus response with DeepSeek Reasoner. Do nothing? Okay. So it looks like we're going to use DeepSeek chat. Nah, it's fine. I'm going to do that. Let's go up here and say long only. I'm going to say false. Okay. XAI. I think it'll work better with at least 3 models. So let's go ahead and bring XAI's model in there as well. We can use the one from the actual XAI model, and we will use Grok for fast reasoning. And instead of DeepSeek R1, we're going to use DeepSeek Chat again because it's going to be a little faster. Okay, and then also let's go ahead back to the trading agent here. Also, can you show me in the trading agent where to say 1 day back? I'm gonna up this a little bit. 1 minute. Sorry, not 1 minute. 5 minutes. And then we'll run this sleep between runs 5 minutes. So I got 2 AIs going. I can't do anything more, dude. Can't do anything more. I gotta wait. I guess I could do 3, but I think that would be not a good idea. I think 3 would be overkill, even though I'm the guy who made Twitter or whatever. I made Reddit with 8 at the same time. 8 at the same damn time. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it's faster now. Let's get it. So now I'm calling 3 AI models. I'm calling XAI. I'm calling Queen. Okay, I'm calling DeepSeek. Grok 4 Reasoner Thinking. Wait, hold on. DeepSeek Chat. You dropped one though. It seems like you dropped one. I only see XAI there and DeepSeek Chat. The third one was supposed to be QWEN from Open Router. So it will be XAI's Grok 4 Fast Reasoning. It will be DeepSeek Models Chat. And then it will be QWEN from Open Router. Let's pop into the market as it is 9:56 now. 9:56 in the morning. Looks like we've had a little wild ride this morning, huh? Holy moly. I didn't even notice it. It's because I'm locked. Are you? Yes, you are. Let's get it. Every day. All right, can you check to see if it's done yet? Still transcribing. Damn, dude. That's insane. I guess it's a big video. Let's wait till it finishes. How much longer do you think it'll be? I'll ask you again soon. I'll ask you again later if you know when later is. Gotta go. See you, bro. 777 $. What up, bro? I work with developers at work, and this experience has helped me understand their struggles and limitations. The raw honesty here is so important. Thank you in ways you don't see. Yo, it's my pleasure, dude. Love says he sent an email. Okay, I got you. Or somebody's got you. 5 to 10 minutes left. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so you can see now we're using Open Router. We're using XAI and DeepSeek Chat. The issue was I had Grok's DeepSeek. Get Grok out of here. I might just delete Grok out of the whole repo. The Q one. Because I don't want 2 Groks, and XAI wins. Okay, it's asking 3 models in parallel. Good. X responded in 3 seconds, 6 seconds for the other one. And then where is number 3, Mr. Queen Bee? Mr. Queen Bee, where's number 3? Come on. Here she goes. 25 seconds. Okay, you go slow this whole thing down. That's fine. DeepSeek chat, generate consensus summary. Okay, it says sell. Okay, opening short. Got position. Leverage. Okay, see? Got an error. Let's take it back. Let's take it back to the test script we were building because we forgot to test extended leverage. So let's add that in there. And then once we get it fixed, you could run this in yourself and see when the leverage is fixed. Then we could fix it in the trading agent as well. Good job, dude. You're doing great. Thank you. She's doing great, isn't she? I wish they would pop up and ask me how she's doing. Oh, you know what? They always do. 3. They always do. They always do. They always do. I need to close some tabs before I crash this bitch. Okay, that's me right there. All of this code is on GitHub. You can see the GitHub here. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, click the star button in order to save the GitHub, and fork in order to get all of the code. We have $100 off of the bootcamp here today. So for everybody that's been asking for a discount, today is the day for Halloween. Shout out. Shout out to Halloween. Shout out to Reese's. Shout out to Reese's again because I love Reese's. And shout out to you, dude, because I love you. Much love. 777. This is my YouTube channel. This is my Poly Market. And this is my thing I'm building here. Down here. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it works here. I got to get my extended open because she's going to start making orders. Holy moly, this chart is dirty, dude. This is why you can't trade by hand. Right here, dude. See, I didn't even see any of this happen. I didn't see any of it happen because I'm not sitting here at 9:30 getting wrecked. Everybody right here, oh, creeping long, creeping long. Let's get long, let's get long. I'm winning, Dad, I'm winning. Wrecked. It's not funny, dude. It's not funny at all. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help you see there's a better way. And you're going to start backtesting. You're like, damn, I should not be trading by hand. If trading at all, dude, you're going to see it. You're going to see it. You got to work hard to find a great strategy. So what makes you think you can just clock in and think you're going to trade by hand better than professionals that are using algorithms, dude? I don't know. I don't get that. But good luck. Have fun. Stay safe. Don't use too much leverage. Don't trade by hand. I mean, that's the only advice I have for you is remove your emotions out of trading. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can be a life advisor and I can tell you learn how to code, dude. That's the best advice I could ever give you. It has nothing to do with trading. Learn to code. That's life advice, dude. Life advice. I'm not a financial advisor though. Please read this. Yo, it feels good. It feels good to be here. Another day, another dollar, right? Let's keep locking in every day. Okay, she says she fixed it. So let's see. I want to run that test here again. Test extended. Okay, let's test it. Got my balance. Okay. Leverage. Place limit buy. Limit. Okay. Cancel. Test leverage here. Okay, it does work now. Beautiful. So that's awesome. Great job. Now, so make sure that leverage, the way you fixed it, is in the trading agent now for that extended. Okay, dude. Okay, lock in, lock in, lock in, bro. Let's get it every day. Every day, every day, every day. Every day, every day, every day. Every day, every day, every day. Oh, let me go ahead and answer some questions here. Can you build a bot for me? Typically no. I can, it's just too expensive. You can email me if you think it's not going to be expensive. Or if you think you could afford it, but I just don't want to be rude. Just any ideas. Okay, let's see if she's fixed now. Perfect. I've verified that the trading agent is already fully configured. Beautiful. Let's get it. So it's using DeepSeek, it's using Queen, and it's using XAI. Okay, sell signal with no position. New order costs more than balance. Leverage 9x. Here, let's USD size. Let's make that 15. Let's run it. See if that works. Okay. Open position. Opening short. Beautiful, dude. Short position opened. P&L. Stop loss. Take profit. What happened here on the extender? It's in there. Okay, it's in a profit position. P&L. Take profit. Stop loss. Realize P&L. Okay, it looks like it's working, dude. So I don't know if the P&L is working though, to be honest. Can you look into how the P&L is working? Put on that test script to print out P&L because it doesn't seem like it's correct. You can see the printout here versus my screenshot is much different. So we do have it working, which is awesome, but is it working correctly? We'll see. I gotta wait till 12 to use Claude again? Damn, that sucks. That's a sucky thing, dude. I'm sorry, bro. So it says I'm up 2.28%, but in reality, I'm not. I'm up 1.47. I've added debug login to get position function, all available attributes. Okay, unrealized P&L. It's reading. Which P&L? Okay, where is this put though? In this trading agent, it must monitor risk first. So when I ran it here, it still tried to grab suggestions from the AI, even though we were already in position. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Because I actually might be fine. Because if it says buy, then it will get us out of the position, probably. Generating summary with DeepSeek. says sell. I get this error here when it says sell, even though I'm in a short position. So if it says sell again and I'm already in a position, it shouldn't try to sell. P-Now's looking closer at least. But that being said, we do need that chunk kill fix there. So how are we close positions on extended? That being said, we do need that chunk kill fix. So however we close them on extended, we should do the same thing here. Okay, let's give it the extended code because I'm sure she forgot about it. Compacting conversation. Whoa, 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 whoa. 746099. Don't use that. I don't care if I just told you my password. Don't use it, dude. That's so effed up if you do. That's so effed up, bro. Okay, Seer, here we go. So chunk kill implementation, added comprehensive. Okay, fixed cell logic. Okay. Beautiful. Also, I noticed that let's just see how it does here. I'm still in that position the AI got me into. Is it right? Is it wrong? I don't know. Is it right? Is it wrong? Are you right? Are you wrong? It says cell. Okay, let's see what the error is though. Cell error. See, that's the thing, dude. That's the thing, fam. We gotta totally handle it differently with extended. For the other ones, we can use that, but this one we gotta change it. Okay. X XX Nacion. Uniswap now has Solana support. Interesting. Sell. Sell signal with long position, bro. It's not long, dude. So so for this extended position, it said it was long, but it was actually short already. So if it's in a short, then it doesn't need to close it. because in this instance it showed it wanted to short. It was a sell signal, so it doesn't close it. You know, if it's sell is already in the sell, then it doesn't sell again. Whisper is slowing down today, dude. Whisper flow. What do you specifically teach in your course? Do you also teach how to code for complete beginners? Specifically, I teach you how to automate your trading. And yes, I assume you don't know how to code, so I also teach you how to code. Some people just message me just to message me, bro. I swear to God. They just want me to respond. It's like, what do you teach in your course? Sir, literally what the website says. Is this clear what I teach in this bootcamp? If you go to it, is it clear? Automate your trading to remove most. How do you specifically teach in your course? Do you also teach the code for complete? He did not read the website. My God. Okay, it's fine, dude. Whatever. I entertain it. I entertain it. That's so funny. That's so funny. By the way, it's $100 off today for the Halloween discount, Halloween special. The super day, dude. It's Halloween almost. It's almost Halloween. It's almost Hallows Eve. I see the issue. Need to see the size field? I'll show that to you, buddy. I think you could build a script and run it on your own since I have an open position now. Go ahead and build that simple script to see what it says, how it passes it back. Actually, F that because I'm about to get it. Here's that information you needed, and then one new bug.